Are you tired of earbuds that completely seal you off from the world, making you feel unsafe during your runs or commutes? Well, these Wiykasenbos open-ear earbuds claim to solve that exact problem, promising a unique blend of music and environmental awareness. It's a fascinating concept, and after spending some time with them, one can really appreciate the thought behind this open-ear design. Unlike traditional earbuds that plug directly into your ear canal, these Wiykasenbos WKD06 headphones sit comfortably over your ear, using air conduction to deliver sound. This means you can enjoy your favorite tunes or podcasts without completely losing touch with your surroundings. Imagine jogging through the park, listening to music, but still being able to hear an approaching cyclist or a car horn. That increased safety is a genuine game changer, especially for those who are active outdoors or frequently travel. The ear-hanging design also feels incredibly secure. They really stay put, even during more vigorous movements, which is a huge plus for any sport enthusiast. Now let's talk power. Nobody wants their music to cut out mid-workout, and these earbuds deliver. A quick 2-hour charge gives you an impressive 8 to 10 hours of playback. And the charging case. It's a lifesaver, providing an additional 2 full charges. That means you're looking at potentially 30 hours of listening time before needing to find a wall outlet. Plus, the LED digital display on the case is a thoughtful touch, letting you check the battery level in real time so you're never caught off guard. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.3, which means a stable, fast connection. Pairing is usually seamless, and the connection holds up well, even when moving around. For those sweaty gym sessions or unexpected drizzles, the IPX5 waterproof rating offers great peace of mind. They're built to withstand daily dust and water, so you can push your limits without worrying about damaging your headphones. And what about calls? With built-in dual microphones and noise-canceling technology, conversations come through clearer and smoother. It's a noticeable improvement, making them perfectly suitable for work calls or catching up with friends on the go. Compatibility is broad too, working effortlessly with iOS, Android, and iPads. Overall, the Wiykasenbos WKD06 open-ear earbuds offer a compelling package for anyone prioritizing situational awareness and comfort without sacrificing sound. They're a solid choice for active individuals or commuters who want to stay connected to their music and their world simultaneously. A truly practical and innovative approach to personal audio.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.